Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover embroidery digitizing styles, find your perfect match. Embroidery digitizing is the art of converting designs into a format that embroidery machines can read. With a variety of styles to choose from, finding the perfect match for your project can elevate your work to a professional level. Let's explore popular embroidery digitizing styles and how to choose the one that suits your needs best. Why understanding digitizing styles matters. Each embroidery style has unique characteristics and applications. Choosing the right style ensures 1. Better design accuracy aligns the design with the fabric and intended use. 2. Enhanced visual appeal highlights the design's details and texture. Efficient production saves time and reduces thread wastage. Popular embroidery digitizing styles. Number 1. Satin stitch digitizing features smooth, shiny stitches that create clean, elegant lines. Best for borders, text, and simple shapes. Tips: use for designs with curves and smaller details to achieve a polished finish. Number 2, fill stitch digitizing. Features dense stitching used to cover large areas. Best for backgrounds and designs requiring full coverage. Tips: adjust stitch direction for texture and avoid puckering on lightweight fabrics. Number 3, applique digitizing. Features combines fabric pieces with embroidery for a layered effect. Best for large designs, logos, or reducing stitch density. Tips: use contrasting fabrics and threads for a striking look. Number 4, 3D puff digitizing. Features raised three-dimensional effects created using foam. Best for hats, caps, and bold text designs. Tips: choose bold, simple shapes and avoid thin lines for the best results. Number 5, photo stitch digitizing. Features realistic photo-like embroidery created with layered thread colors. Best for portraits and detailed images. Tips: use high-resolution images and plan for longer production times. Number 6, cross-stitch digitizing. Features mimics traditional hand-stitched cross-stitch patterns. Best for vintage or rustic designs. Tips: opt for simple patterns and use contrasting thread colors for clarity. Number 7, redwork digitizing. Features simple outline-based embroidery typically done in a single color. Best for minimalist designs, line art, and decorative borders. Tips: perfect for beginners and projects with light stitch density requirements. Number 8, chain stitch digitizing. Features creates a series of looped stitches resembling chains. Best for traditional and decorative embroidery. Tips: ideal for designs needing bold textured lines. How to choose the right style. Consider the design. Analyze the complexity, size, and details of your design. Match the style to the design's focal points. Think about the fabric, lightweight fabrics. Use satin or redwork styles to avoid puckering. Heavy fabrics, opt for fill or 3D puff for durability and texture. Understand the project purpose logos. Satin or applique digitizing works best. Home decor, consider cross-stitch or photo stitch for artistic effects. Clothing redwork or chain stitch adds charm without overwhelming the fabric. Tips for successful digitizing. Use professional digitizing software for precision. Test the design on a sample fabric before finalizing. Adjust thread colors to enhance the design's visual appeal. Conclusion: exploring various embroidery digitizing styles allows you to customize designs to fit specific projects, fabrics, and aesthetics. By understanding the unique features of each style, you can create eye-catching embroidery that perfectly matches your vision. Find your perfect style today and bring your embroidery projects to life.